Hello, welcome back to Let's Play Murdered Soul Suspect. And, we've got an issue. Hello. Can we poltergeist this to get anything to happen? Oh, I know what we can do. I know what we can do. I know what we can do. Hello. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Well,
Holy crud, there are demons everywhere now.
She's praying what I'm thinking. It's getting deep. You're just out there with all these murders.
at least we're safe in here. I don't think that evil bastard is gonna hide out anywhere near the church.
You're in totally the wrong place. That's good for me. You keep finding me, though. I need to move sooner. Let's get you. I'm not really good on the QuickTime events. Come on, move further down. It's just a coincidence that there's just demons popping up everywhere. Okay. That's not where I want to be. If I do distract there, I'm on the wrong side. Well, you're just not noticing the raven at all. Oh shit. Oh, I get where I made a mistake. It's not always the second mouse key. This is a bad hiding place. There's only one exit. Come on, can't I get over to there? I messed that up. Are you distracted by the raven again? I got lucky. The main thing I don't like about this game is the use of the save points. Because I can't really, when I leave the game, I hope I can come back. I can't really control. It's supposed to be open world, so I think I can come back. Hello, kitty.
Jesus.
The
So,
kitty's
where'd she go, huh?
kitty's not happy with us. I remember your name now. Actually, I looked it up. Ronan. Not the powerful scream. Mother's motive.
Leave now, find my book at the station, and don't look back.
Yeah. She's headed to the police station to steal some book. She'll blend in well there. Did you know her mother worked for the police? Fine. Don't tell me. Puss.
So
Time to head back to the station.
There's the Salem Police Department way over there. Okay. Okay. We can enter this again. Hopefully the demons aren't back. But I'm going to do a thing. And it's basically, I'm going to open up the thing about the Banshee, the Bell-Tower Banshee. I'll be right back. I'm going to pause the video for a moment. Okay, welcome back. Let's see where we are in Ghost Stories. Baxter and Ronan's mutual animosity, concern for Joy's safety. 7 out of 11? Really? Okay. So I know one of them is up in the
She's praying what I'm thinking.
From the up in the attic. Oh, you're back there. I'm guessing what's going to happen. Before we move on, I'm just doing a quick thing of collecting the ghost story. Hopefully. But I have 4 more I need to do. Now I need to find the cat. Let's see if the cat's back where...
Those air vents okay?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay,
That's not a good
I'm not
place.
trying to be picky, but seriously, now do you call this a centerpiece?
Where's the old lady and the young lady? That's not the right place. A lot of places to hide here, though. Supposed to be one in here, but I
don't
think
know,
I may have already
Angie.
gotten it.
Brian is a lovely boy, but I worry about his family.
Well, his mother does seem to be a bit of a heartbeat, but Brian's worth it.
Yeah, I think so too. Just that Shelley didn't grow up around boisterous people, and I worry about the pressures of the relationship.
Okay. Where's the cat?
You've been her best friend since what?
Kitty, kitty, kitty. Are you out here, kitty? Did I mess myself up when I didn't get the, Can't get in there. Where's the cat?
Years just to enjoy each other.
Of course, I don't
Oh.
want to be selfish.
Hello.
I mean, what's the hurry?
We're doing this again. Yay! We can meow. Okay. Can't get in through there, I don't think. Yeah. I don't think that's the right place. Oh. Here we go. 3 more to uncover the story. There's a guitar up here. Okay. Give me a moment. I'm going to go look at the list again. Okay, so I looked around. There's only one in the attic. And it's normally the last one you find. So... Can a cat really? I guess a cat really can't do that. Okay. Okay, there's supposed to be one near the wheelchair, which I think is probably one I've already gotten. Okay, cool. That's Nave. Not here. There are 3 more.
For the Witches all 4 years at Salem High. Was on the varsity when he was a freshman.
But my family, the Winslows, we go all the way back to the Pilgrims. We settled in Salem in the 1600s.
Give me a moment.
We invented...
It's really inconvenient because when I tab out, it brings up the what do you call it? I think I'll bring it up on my phone, make it easier. I thought having 2 monitors would make looking for these kind of side stories easier, but I can't tab out of this game very well, so it doesn't work. So I'm going to bring it up on my phone, and that way I'll have a list I can manipulate. And this is a weird and disturbing camera angle. Okay. I think we'll head back to... There's a thing I can manipulate. There's a kitty. See, it is supposed to be over here, so I think I already got that one. Okay. So let's go back to the entrance, make sure we got all the ones that I know that. Let's go in order, which means we have to wait for him to come back. These 2 videos are supposed to go up on Friday. I'm really late. Can't dispossess him on the Hellgate, thank you. Okay, there's one in the corridor between these, I guess. Aha! 2 more. Can I get one? Let's see. I should go back. What's in here? That's right. Okay. So there was one here. We got that one. There was one right at the entrance under the stairs. There was one here, yes. Okay. Third one is located in the corridor with the door saying Rectory. Well, let's wait a little bit. There we go. Ooh, that was kind of cool. And that's our memory of getting married to our wife. So it would be right here, but we already got it. And the other one's the quarters. That's the one I just got now. Balcony. So this is one I probably already have. Do not walk into hell hands. Okay. The second door. Aha! Okay. The mysterious force that's blocking you, I guess, is the Hellmouth? When in the rectory, go to the end of the corridor. Lying right next to the piece of furniture. Okay. Passing the elevator. Do float down. There's the paranoid lady. Why didn't the demons eat you? Very, very particular demons. Makes me a little bit paranoid. They're supposed to want to just eat everybody, aren't they? Of course, I've played the game before, so I know a little bit more than you. Unless you've played the game as well. Okay. Past here, I've gotten that one. Door opposite the place we just found. Aha! And I apparently have already gotten this one as well. Okay. Into the room. Head to the door to your left. From the kitchen. Another handsaw. I probably already got this one because I've been in this room. Yeah, I got this one. When you leave the dining room through the east door, you'll find yourself in a corridor. The dining room through the east door. Which way's east? Well, that is... blocking the stairs, and is a mysterious force blocking the stairs. But it looks like I've already gotten this one. Because that looks like where it's supposed to be on this bit here. Okay. In the room with two women from which you can go to the churchyard, you will find the handsaw. We already checked that one. Where's the one I'm missing? Okay. I got that one. I supposedly got that one. There's a lamp next to the chains to the... Okay. Am I missing one? I got this one in my first playthrough way back when. I know I've heard this one before. Okay. Can't go that way. What did I do? Oh, I hid. There's a hidey hole here. Huh. Clearly visible. What a mess. Corridors carefully. I thought I already got that one. But maybe I didn't. It's not there. Did I glitch or something? Got that one just now. Hold it, hold it, hold it. I'm going to make a... I have a thought. Hello, sir. Maybe the last one wasn't here. Maybe it's in the other corridor. Yep. I'm getting the feeling that spot is dusty a lot of the time. Aha!
Well, it was somewhere around noon on a Sunday when I got a call from the pastor. He was looking for someone to fix up the old church. It had been sitting up on that hill, abandoned for over 40 years. After getting hit by lightning back in '98, it suffered a bunch of fire damage. So, of course, I agreed to help. I knew something was wrong the second I stepped inside, as an inexplicable chill came over me. Anyway, I shook it off and I set to work. As I started tearing up the damaged floorboards, they were all bad. Well, I uncovered an old rat's nest. It seemed like any of the others I'd seen over my 22 years in the construction business, until I saw the scraps of human hair and bones that the rats had used to make it.
How did you know it was human bone if it was...
I heard the floorboards on the second floor creaking above me, and the sounds of a young girl weeping. Well, I was worried that the damaged section of the ceiling was going to give way under her weight, so I yelled, "Hey, stop, come down immediately." Well, my voice must have startled her because she went completely silent. So I got up and I went to look for her. When I entered the room upstairs, though, I was surprised to see it completely empty. It only took me, a minute to make my way up there, and I would have heard her run off if she did. But that's when I heard the weeping again. Only this time it was coming from the bell tower. So I climbed up the long, treacherous, curving stairs at the top, and I noticed what I thought was dried blood dotting the way. When I finally got up to the belfry, I was just paralyzed with terror. Because lying before me was the withered corpse of a young girl. Judging by her sun-bleached clothes and weathered bones, it seemed like she'd been lying there for the better part of those 40 years the place had been empty. The rats, they picked her bones clean. I took off running. I didn't stop until I got all the way to town. The ravages of time made it impossible for the authorities to get any identity on this girl. It seems Salem will never know who killed her. Some people still claim to hear her weeping there. As for myself, I never went back.
Okay, we got another one. The eternal flame is scattered all over the place. I don't know if I ever got it. I think I did. But I think with that done, creepiness, we're going to leave the church again and make our way to the SPD. And that'll be it for this video. Talk to you later. Bye.